All right, we have a subtraction problem here, and the problem that we need to solve is 43 minus 27. And I have shown that over here on the left as 4 tens and 3 ones, which is the same as 43. It's the same as 43 ones, but we have 4 bars in the tens column and then 3 ones in the ones column. And so the first thing we need to do is we need to notice that we need to start on the right side of the problem, and we need to start with 3 minus 7. And we can see that over here it's not possible to take 7 away from the ones column without going into negative numbers. So what we're going to do here is we're going to regroup, and we're going to take one of these tens and we're going to break it into ones, and I'm going to move it over to the ones column. And so now what we have is we have the same amount of stuff. We have the same number, but I've regrouped them. And so now we have 3 tens and 13 ones. So let's see what that looks like over here. So that means we'll have, I'm going to change that 4 into a 3. Bear with me, this is hard to draw. 3, and then this 3 now becomes 13 because we have 13 ones in the ones column, and we have 3 tens over there. That is messy, and I apologize, but that's a 13. So now it's much easier, it's possible, to take 7 ones away from here. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're just gonna reposition them and move them over. So we'll start with this one. So we can take 1. We're going to take 7 away from here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, and let's count and see how many are left in the ones column. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we have 6 remaining. So let's go ahead and type that. I'm just going to put that right there. That's much neater than handwriting. So we have 6 left. 13 minus 7 is 6. And now we still need to take 2 tens away from the tens column. We need to take 2 of those away from the 3. So we'll go ahead and take this one, and we'll take and remove this one. And so that leaves us with 1 10, because 3 tens minus 2 tens is 1 10. So I will go ahead and type that as well. So you can see that what we have left here is we have 1 10 and we have 6 ones. And that's the same as 16. 1 10 plus 6 ones is 16. So our original amount was 43. We removed 27 from that amount, and we're left with 16.